Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to find penny items at Home Depot online. And yes, those super discounted items that usually sell for just a few cents. It's a bit tricky since Home Depot doesn't advertise them, but I'll show you a clever way to track them down. So let's get into it. First off, you should know that Home Depot doesn't officially promote or list penny items. These are usually products that have been discontinued or marked down for removal. So if you ask any employee about them, they probably won't be able to help since their job is to actually pull those items off the shelves. But don't worry, there's a workaround online using a third-party website called Slick Deals. Now, this site compiles deals and discounts from different retailers, including Home Depot. So here's how you do it. First, you want to go to slickdeals.net. And in the search bar, you want to type in Home Depot. So let's do that just now. Hit enter. So once you hit enter, you'll see a list of the latest deals and discounts from Home Depot. So what you can do, you can either scroll through the results and look for items marked as marked as penny deals, or you can also use this search bar. So you can just put one here and then hit enter. And there we go. As you can see, these are the penny deals. So when you find something interesting, all you have to do is just click the deal or click the item. For example, this one. So click this, click the item, and you can see there's an option for you to go get the deal at Home Depot. So simply click that and it'll take you straight away to homedepot.com where you can check availability or even make a purchase if the items still live. It's that simple. You're basically using deal trackers to uncover unlisted markdowns that most people don't even know exist. So yeah, that's how you can find penny items at Home Depot online using Slick Deals. It takes a bit of patience, but the savings can be huge. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!